Okay, so now I've disconnected the oscilloscope, so the LEDs should light up for different frequencies. The higher you go, the harder it is for it to settle on a frequency. So if I'm on my lowest string, it's really easy. The second lowest string also can get on it. Third one doesn't always work, and then the fourth one, it just starts to freak out. But I know that it's working, and that I'm getting the correct numbers. One from the serial monitor, and also because, oops. If I slowly go down, it'll settle on the third one. So if I'm on the top of the fretboard, strike a note, and slowly go down, it should change one by one. It's not perfect, but I think I'm going to output this now to Visual Studio Code and use JavaScript to come up with something to try and paint with color with it. But in terms of the actual circuit and all the output and input, this is the final bit of it. So thank you. How's it going? So what I have here is the synesthesia machine. I'm taking a guitar input, putting it through an op amp and through a potentiometer in order to change the signal to up the signals from 60 millivolts up to centering at 2.5 volts to and then an amplitude of 2.5 volts as well. So now it runs through the potentiometer, which I can use to adjust the gain of the circuit, and then runs through a voltage divider, and then over to the Arduino. I also currently have it linked to my oscilloscope, and then I'm using these LEDs to tell me which frequency I'm using. So on the oscilloscope, I can see the sound waves, and to measure the pitch, I have to get the frequency of that wave. So I'm going to have to disconnect my oscilloscope to finish it, so I will be right back.